Augustus was many things: a brilliant politician, a master of propaganda, and the architect of Rome's greatest transformation. But to understand how he reshaped the ancient world, you must first understand the Rome he inherited. When Julius Caesar was assassinated, Rome was broken. Decades of civil war had shattered the Republic. Families were divided. Armies marched on their own capital, and every senator feared becoming the next victim of political violence. In this chaos stood a 19-year-old boy, Gaius Octavius. Few believed this young man could survive, let alone rule. But Augustus did not rise through brute strength. He rose through patience, calculation, and an unmatched ability to read people. Slowly, he gathered allies, defeated rivals, and outmaneuvered the most dangerous figures in Rome, from Cicero to Mark Antony. When Antony fell at Actium, Augustus became the undisputed master of the Roman world. But instead of ruling like a tyrant, he did something far more ingenious. He pretended to restore the Republic. He gave gifts to the Senate, returned powers he technically never needed to give up, and styled himself as first citizen instead of king. Rome believed it had its freedom back, but Augustus controlled everything. Under this carefully crafted illusion, Augustus rebuilt Rome from the ground up. He launched massive construction programs, turning a city of crumbling brick into one of gleaming marble. Temples, forums, theaters, aqueducts, all expanded or created under his vision of a new golden age. Yet he did not rule through stone alone. Augustus mastered the art of shaping public opinion. Statues showed him forever young, forever calm, forever in control. Poets praised him as the savior of Rome. Coins carried his message to every corner of the empire. The people saw stability, prosperity, and peace, and they rewarded him with loyalty. No emperor after him would ever fully replicate. But behind the perfect marble facade, Augustus' personal life was a storm. His marriage to Livia was strong politically, yet cold emotionally. His heirs died one after another, forcing him to adopt new successors again and again. Even the succession of Tiberius, his final choice, was one he made reluctantly. Still, Augustus never lost the trust of the Roman people. He brought peace after a century of war. He expanded Roman territory farther than anyone before him, and he created a system so durable that the empire he built lasted for centuries after his death. When he died in 14 CE, Rome mourned not just a leader, but the man who gave the world order, stability, and a vision of greatness. His final words echoed the duality of his life. "If I have played my part well, then applaud as I exit." And Rome did exactly that.